Introduction to writing functions.
Functions are essential building blocks in programming, allowing you to organize and reuse code. Understanding how to define and call functions is fundamental in any language. In this video, you'll learn the basics of writing functions in Python, JavaScript, and Java, three of the most widely used programming languages today.
Function syntax in Python.
In Python, you define a function using the keyword def, followed by the function name and parentheses. You can include parameters inside the parentheses. End the header with a colon, and then write the function body indented below. To call the function, use its name and provide any required arguments in parentheses.
Writing functions in JavaScript.
In JavaScript, functions can be defined in several ways. The most common is using the function keyword, followed by the name and parentheses with parameters. The function body is enclosed in curly braces. You can also use arrow functions for shorter syntax. To call a function, write its name with arguments in parentheses.
Function declaration in Java.
Java functions, known as methods, are defined within classes. Specify the return type, method name, and parentheses with any parameters, followed by curly braces containing the body. Methods often use keywords like public or static. To call a method, use its name along with parentheses, and sometimes refer to the class or object.
Key differences and best practices.
While syntax differs, functions in all three languages serve to simplify code and improve readability. Remember, Python uses indentation, JavaScript uses curly braces, and Java requires methods inside classes. Practice writing and calling functions in each language to build confidence. Mastering function syntax is a crucial step in becoming an effective programmer.